Hello guys, my name is Prodan. Welcome back. Today you're going to make painting with mine. Well, then we're going to need a few things. We're going to just need 3 colors. You can choose your own dirt. Just need a few types of dirt. I choose 3 types of dirt. And then you're going to need a water. You're going to need some brushes. You're going to need painting paper. You're going to need these 2 ones for putting which color you want to, or you can mix one. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our paper and we're going to root a paper. Then we close it and we grab this pencil here. We're going to draw, then you can draw whatever you want. I will draw a tree. Well, I think to draw a tree, you can draw with your pencil. Well, I think drawing with a pencil will be much easier to understand because it will be like much easier to draw with. Then, this is what I draw, a scary tree. What did you draw? Ooh, that's a great one. Now, let's prepare the mud paint to put it on our tree. We are going to grab this water and dump it in each one. Make sure there's not so much water. Then, grab this one and mix it up. I think.
Add more water.
Add more water, I think.
More, enough.
This looks like. And if it looks like too much water, mix it up until it don't be anymore to have less dirt and more water. Here's one for ice. Let's put some water here. And then let's mix it up. And our second one may be, see, if you dirt yourself, you can grab a towel. Great. You can choose any towel you have one. The towel Mommy gave me. So I think this one needs a whole tire water. Let's see, come very bad. Well, I think is enough. Except if you have the biggest one, that means biggest pile of dirt, that means you really need more of that. Okay, this is enough. We prepare our mud paint. Now it's time to paint on our tree. Well, grab the biggest brush you have. This is how big it is. Make sure it's not so big. Put it into another water. Paint it in your tree. Make sure dough comes on your table. If it comes on your table, next time when you do that, put a cover on your table so we can't get dirt. Make sure everything have to be wet. Everything. Not to have a single dry place with water, from water. As you see, I'm putting water everywhere in my tree. And if we did that already, now we just have to use our paint to color them up. For that, we're going to grab this one. You can choose your own pastel. I'm going to choose this one. Looks good. Put that there. This looks much better. And better color. If you have a stick on there, and it's dirty, you can put it in a garbage or wash it and then put it in garbage. Because if your garbage gets dirty, it may paint on it and it may stay there. I think this is a much better color. So, I didn't tell you all the things you have to make from your tree. You actually have to add, make sure it's very beautiful, and make sure no water gets off of your lines. And one more thing, make sure you don't mix it, because it may be not beautiful. If you know which color makes green and brown in a much beautiful color, you can use it. Well, if you don't know colors, you have to ask your mom. Or if you're working in a class, you can ask your teacher instead. So you can add your own decoration for the tree. You can either make it scary, you can make it with a zombie near, you can make whatever you want, either a house. You can either decorate a zombie, only you can choose your own colors. That's the important thing. If you don't use colors, you can't paint. Here, so like this toothbrush, if you have one only that's 6,000 of these toothbrush and have more, you can buy one more. You can buy one different toothbrush and you can use it to paint one more time.
This is a toothbrush?
A brush. I'm just like calling them toothbrush because I have a new toothbrush. Did you know that? So you can add to make different colors. You can mix them up. You can use own colors to make it how beautiful you want to. You have to know if it's beautiful or not. I know how beautiful I can do. Except I know if it's beautiful or not. Show me your picture. Ooh, you're almost ready. I like your picture very much. I hope you like my video. It's almost finished. Do you want to see mine? I'll show you. It looks like this tree. What's your look like? Show me. Whoa, that's awesome! Thank you for watching, guys. Now it's time to make your own creative thing by Legos, anything. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe on my next channel. See you next time. Oopsie, did you remember me? I'm Robert Prodan. Don't forget my name.